Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how you can remove a downlight yourself. You just need to grab each side of the downlight with your fingertips and pull it down. Put your fingers all the way around the downlight, underneath it. Shimmy it out of the hole, and you'll have two metal tabs with springs on them on the sides. You just need to try and pull one side out and then the other to pull your downlight out. Your downlight may be hardwired, so just be careful. You may need an electrician, but sometimes they have a surface socket on the cable, which means it's just got a little mini power point and the downlight will just unplug. That's the surface socket attached to the cable. Just unplug it, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching.